Hidden in plain sight above the city that never sleeps, there's a billionaire sky mansion few even know exists. Perched atop a Manhattan skyscraper, this secret residence spans multiple levels in the clouds, a private palace floating high above the chaos of New York City. Forget penthouses, this is a sky mansion, occupying the top 5 floors of one of Manhattan's most exclusive towers. Worth over $300 million, this residence is owned by a billionaire whose name is whispered but never confirmed. It's unlisted, unmarked, and completely off-market. But today, you get the rarest look inside, the elevator. Private, biometric, and silent. It opens directly into a foyer wrapped in black marble and brushed gold. The ceilings soar over 30 feet high, and a spiral staircase, sculpted like a ribbon from Italian steel, connects the floors in graceful curves. On the first level, a glass-walled great room with 270-degree views of Central Park, the Hudson River, and the Empire State Building. Every wall is retractable, every curtain automatic, every detail controlled by an AI smart system that anticipates its owner's needs before they ask. The kitchen isn't just high-end, it's custom-built by Michelin-starred chefs with dual hidden prep areas, temperature-controlled storage, and a floating breakfast bar with a 100th-floor view. Adjacent, a formal dining room that glows under a chandelier crafted from hand-blown Murano glass. Go up a level, and you'll find the entertainment floor, a velvet-clad private cinema, a mirrored cocktail bar, and a lounge with $1 million art collection casually displayed on rotating panels. There's even a private library with floor-to-ceiling first editions, guarded by a hidden fingerprint locked door, but the real jaw-dropper. The top floor. A rooftop garden and glass-bottom infinity pool that literally hangs off the edge of the skyscraper. Swim above the city. Look down, and you're floating above New York, just sky, wind, and silence.